President Biden has chosen federal appeals court judge Ketanji Brown Jackson as his nominee for the U.S. Supreme Court. She is the first black woman ever chosen for the highest court in the land. The 51-year-old is a Harvard Law School graduate and served as a law clerk for Justice Stephen Breyer, the man she would replace if confirmed.
I can only hope that my life and career, my love of this country and the Constitution, and my commitment to upholding the rule of law and the sacred principles upon which this great nation was founded will inspire future generations of Americans.
Judge Jackson will need Senate approval before being confirmed to the Supreme Court. If she doesn't get any Republican support, she could still make it through with yeses from all 50 Democrats and a tie-breaking vote from Vice President Kamala Harris. Meanwhile, leaders here at home in the black community are reacting to the president's historic nomination. News Channel 5's Araceli Crescencio spoke with one lawyer who explains why it is so important that everyone is represented.
My nominee for the United States Supreme Court is Judge Ketanji Jackson.
President Joe Biden made good on his campaign promise to nominate the first black woman to the nation's highest court.
It was just like, finally. You know what I mean? Finally, there's the recognition.
It's an announcement president of the NAACP Nashville chapter, Cheryl Gwynn, is celebrating, saying it's time that the Supreme Court reflects the diversity of this country.
You kept us to the point where we couldn't read. I mean, it was literally illegal for us to read. And now we're sitting on the highest court of the land and making decisions that you and all of your family have to follow.
Gwynn says Judge Jackson's nomination will help black children dream big because they'll know that sitting on the highest court of the land is within reach.
When you see someone that looks like you in places, it reminds you that I really can get to those other places. Those really can be goals for me. It's not something that's off limits.
Still, the fact that in the court's 233-year history, only one nominee has been a black woman is something Gwynn laments.
I'm very happy for her accomplishments, but she wasn't the first. And I'm sure she would be the first to say, I wasn't the first or the only. I was just the one at the right place at the right time. And I'm very thankful that she was in the right place at the right time.
She says today is a victory, but that work remains to be done to not only see Judge Jackson on the bench soon, but others who look like her.
I just hope that we see it actually come to fruition.
In Nashville, Araceli Crescencio, News Channel 5.
Judge Jackson's experience as a public defender would also be a first for the court. Confirmation hearings could begin as soon as mid-March.